3, 2, 1.
A magnet can exert force on objects without touching them, as long as they are within what? The answer is B, magnetic field. Which famous painting is depicted in the Da Vinci Code? The answer is A, Mona Lisa. What was the title of the book written by A.A. Milne that introduced Winnie the Pooh and his friends? The answer is B, Winnie the Pooh. What is the softest mineral? The answer is C, tau. Who holds the record for most tattoos in one lifetime? The answer is D, Mr. Bones, 650,000. Skeletal, cardiac, and smooth are the three types of what cells and possess morphologies correlated with their functions? The answer is D, muscle. What always knows the latest, but never says a word? The answer is C, TV Guide. Which famous fashion designer was known for his ready-to-wear line? The answer is B, Giorgio Armani. Where is Mount Everest Base Camp located? The answer is D, Nepal. What is bioclimatology the study of? The answer is C, the effects of climate on living organisms. Which disease is treated with insulin? The answer is C, diabetes. The fringe trend in fashion became popular in which decade? The answer is C, 1970s C. Who was the leader of British forces during the Battle of Waterloo? The answer is A, Wellington. What is the name of an Italian pastry made of deep-fried dough shaped into a tube and filled with custard or cream? The answer is A, cannoli. Which element is commonly used in fluorescent lamps? The answer is D, xenon. What is described by the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution?
The answer is A, pH.
Which unit of time equals 1 week, 7 days? The answer is B, heptad. Why wouldn't a tea kettle have an aluminum handle? The answer is B, it conducts heat. Which fruit has a Latin name that means apple of Venus? The answer is D, fig. What has 4 legs and is used for sitting, but doesn't walk? The answer is B, chair. Which dessert has layers of sponge cake, fruit, and whipped cream? The answer is D, cake. In 1995, there was a very short-lived series based on Get Smart. Which actor starred in it? The answer is C, Andy Dick. What actress starred as Felicity Shagwell alongside Mike Myers in the 1999 comedy movie Austin Powers, The Spy Who Shagged Me? The answer is D, Heather Graham. In The Godfather, the snooty movie director who refused to give a part to a friend of the Corleone family found the head of his prized horse in his bed. What was the value of the horse? The answer is B, $700,000. What was the name of the character portrayed by Aretha Franklin in the 1998 movie Blues Brothers 2000? The answer is D, Mrs. Murphy. What is the highest average annual snowfall in the U.S.? The answer is B, Colorado. What state of matter has a definite volume, but not a definite shape? The answer is D, liquid. Which company is the largest domain registrar worldwide? The answer is A, GoDaddy. What potion relieves the symptoms of lycanthropy in the Harry Potter series? The answer is B, Wolfsbane potion. Which is the oldest Roman arch still in existence? The answer is A, Arch of Titus. What is the method that is a plan for asking questions and testing possible answers called? The answer is B, scientific investigation. 2 forces act in opposite directions on a wood block. What will happen if the forces are unbalanced? The answer is D, the position of the block will change. What color is candy apple red most commonly used in?
The answer is D, red.
Rivers leave behind small pieces of rocks after they flood. These small pieces of rock form a floodplain. Which words best describe a floodplain? The answer is A, flatlands. What are the largest phylum in the animal kingdom? The answer is D, arthropods. Which is most likely a cancer treatment? The answer is D, a drug that kills only rapidly dividing cells. Which social media platform was launched as Friendster but rebranded later? The answer is A, Facebook. Cellular respiration in humans involves the combustion of what simple sugar? The answer is A, glucose. What actress played the part of Carrie White in the movie Carrie? The answer is B. Sissy Spacek. How do bipedal creatures walk? The answer is C. On two legs. What is a hair dryer used for? The answer is D. Drying hair. A scientist lost the cap to an ammonia bottle, so she moved the ammonia into a clean container with a lid. What else should she do to be safe? The answer is B. Label the new container clearly. The Amazon rainforest is mainly located in which continent? The answer is C. South America. In the episode Skin of the paranormal drama Supernatural, what song is heard when the shapeshifter runs from the police? The answer is A. Hey man, nice shot. Which is most responsible for reflecting incoming solar heat back to space? The answer is A. Clouds. The Nile River is primarily located in which continent? The answer is A. Africa. Which fruit is often called a brain fruit? The answer is B. Custard apple. What type of drugs can increase water loss by interfering with the recapture of solutes in water from the forming urine? The answer is B. Diuretics. Where was actor Adam Sandler born? The answer is C. Brooklyn, New York. What school item is used for drawing straight lines?